Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you replace this outer tail light assembly. Reasons you would be replacing it is it's cracked, broken, or these lights have gone bad. These lights down here happen to be an LED on this model, and so they're actually not serviceable or replaceable if they go out. If they burn out, you'll have to replace the whole housing element. So this is the exterior, or the outer tail light housing. So we're going to go over how you would do that. So to start with, you'll need to pop the trunk to be able to gain access to undo 2 bolts, and then we can just pull this out. So we have right or left, they both do the same, but you just pop this cover, and then we have access to 2 nuts that we'll need to loosen up, and then there's one that's behind here. Well, there's one nut here and one nut here, and so this one we have to just pop this little connector that's holding the electric lines off, and then that way we gain access to that. And these are a size 10. And then we'll need to undo the electric, just this one connector, to be able to pull the whole thing out. So I just push the tab there and be able to pull that whole connector out. We got one more bolt behind there, so we'll need to so we remove that, and then we can pull this back a little bit. And you'll see there's one more bolt right here. So with that bolt removed, we should be able to just kind of, just like that, pull the whole unit out. This generally, a lot of times has a little flat cap on it. This one's missing it, and that's what this would slide into. But that's it. You just slide that back out, and then you would get a new housing unit if needs be to replace this whole assembly. And like I said, these are LED down here, so you have to replace the whole thing if you need. So when you've got your new one put on, you're going to want to make sure that this is sitting there, because this locks in and holds on the bumper, and then that's going to lock into this tab here. So we just want to line it up. Be sure to hold this in so that this tab lines up in there if it's on there. Just like that. So we press it on into place, and now we'll put the 3 bolts back in the back and button it all up. So we've got the one right here. And with that on, then we can this all back up in there. Got our cargo strap or hook. That's a size 8. And then we come back over here and we have those two 10s, and then just make sure you hook that electric connector back up. And so that's how you replace your outer taillight assembly on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.